Amongst the many options that you have for QuickFilters in Mylio, one of the ones that I find the most useful is the ability to filter by camera or lens. Let me show you. Open the QuickFilters view, and you'll notice that close to the bottom there is by camera and lens options. If I expand that section, I can see that I can find photos by camera based on make and model. I'm gonna look for a Nikon camera that I tend to use underwater and find a particular model, Nikon D7200. I'm gonna go ahead and pin that camera. And now I'm gonna go and find a specific lens. Notice that my selection has already been reduced to show only photos taken with that camera, but I wanna further reduce it to find macro photos that I took with that particular camera. So again, under camera and lens, I'm going to collapse the by camera section and expand the by lens section and look for my Nikon 105mm lens. And now Mylio Photos has automatically found all the photos that I took with both that camera and that particular lens. So just that easily, I can find any photo in my library based on what camera I use, what lens I use, or any combination thereof.